Hello, my name is Eric Escudero Benitez. I'm going to read my favorite song. Love Me Like You Do. You are the light, you are the night, you are the color of my blood. You are the cool, you are the fine, you are the only thing I wanna touch. I never know that I call me so much, so much. You are the fear, I don't care. Uh, Cause I live, I never be being so high. Fall on the through the dark. Let me you pass all sunlight. You can see the world you brought to life. So let me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. Wait, are you waiting for? Fading night, on edge of paradise. Every, every inch of your skin is on holy ground. A leaf go to find. Only you can see my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I will let you set the pace, because I am not thinking straight. Strike my hands spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Yeah, touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? I let see you set the pace, because I am not thinking straight. My head is spinning around. I can't see clean no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. 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 Yeah. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. 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 Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Thank you.